Today we are going to see a very much asked out question, which is how we can just count the variables, how we can just count the vowels in our Java programming string. Okay, so let's create a class, public class main, and here let's go with the public static void main, and here we are going to create a string, let's say str, which is holding a, let's say string, let's say Kajal, and here you can just create a count variable which would be initially holding the value as 0. Now let's do one thing, let's just convert out our string to the lowercase, and for that we are going to use out the lowercase function. We are going to use out the looping concept here. So initially I would be starting out from 0th index. I will move up to smaller than to the length function, and yes, you can just add on the ice value after each iteration. Let's move forward with the logical part. Here what happens, you will create a character kind of ch variable which is going to store the one by one letters of the by the help of caret method. And we have some certain conditions. If our, let's say ch would be equals to our a, in that condition, or else you can just use here the or, sorry, you can just hello, yeah, you can just edit it to a e I o u. You can give the certain, okay, or condition here, and if in case our ch, let's just copy out a bit. So yes, you can just edit it to a to I, right? And else you can just use out here again a e I, let's use e here, let's use o, let's go next with a e I o, and last u. So in case if any of the conditions is fulfilled, so that condition you need to increase the count by 1. Okay, so after that you can just simply print out your count value and you will get your response. Let's try to run and get the response of how you are getting. So let's just try to run it, and we got a bit error here. Now again let's just try to run here. So let me just check it. So we was having a little bit silly problem here. I have actually edited out my double quotation inside the if block with the single quotation. So that's how you can just move forward with your program and get the count variable. You can see here we got the two vowels because Kajal string is carrying out two vowels, right? I hope this point is clear. Yeah, thank you.